Game Squad here. Today, I will be fixing up the rest of my village. I was already working on this, but I forgot to press the record button on my microphone. This was very disappointing. But some of the houses I said were unfixable then, I'll be attempting to fix now. Oh, and like I said in my unrecorded video, doing this will allow us to not have our houses burned down by Herobrine again. Ever. It was a horrible moment to see, and I tried to fight the fire. I was so busy. I couldn't do anything about it though. His flames, they were just too powerful for me. Now this house here has just been completely blown up. I don't know what happened here, but it was something crazy. I'm just gonna start making it better. Here, diamonds are always better. Patch up this roof real quick. Now this house will burn down because there's a little bit of wood in there, but it's much more resistant than it once was. Look at this beautiful interior. Oh no, there's a hole in the floor. No, we're cool here. That's stylish. Let's move on to the next house. How about this one? If any fire touches this material here, it will be turned into cold hard stone. See, I'll demonstrate that by pouring fire and lava all over it. Getting some lava. See, look, it becomes stone. This is crazy, isn't it? These new Minecraft updates, always adding something exciting. Now it's a hard stone house, and nothing can get through. Oh no, villagers are still using this house. No, my fans, you must not play in this horrible place. Oh, they're trading amongst each other. Let me just repair this house for you. See, I'm the best YouTuber in the whole world. I can fix anything for my fans. So just punch along there. No, you're not supposed to jump over that. I'll give these fans a nice little pool. It's pretty luxurious if I do say so myself. And the perfect roof. And maybe a little water fountain. Some water. Oops. No, it's nice. I like that. Look at this house. It's beautiful. And I made it. I think that'll just about do it for this episode. Please subscribe to MC Game Squad so you can join my fan server over here. And maybe play with some of my loyal fans. But I have so many fans that the developers of Minecraft have just made them so that they can, every world is multiplayer, they can just join randomly and build each other's settlements and stuff, and you can find them. Now I've gotten reports that people are taking from my fans. Now this is unacceptable. I will not allow this. You cannot just go up to any old of my villages and just start stealing stuff from their blacksmiths. Sure, they make some very good stuff there, but you can't just come up and take it. That's against the law. My law. It's the MC Games Squid law. You cannot steal from villages. That is so evil. If you do it, I will hunt you down and unsubscribe from your channel and post hateful comments. You don't mess with the MC Game Squad people. I will destroy you. And so my fans. I've heard that my fans are gaining power in this newest update, the Village and Pillage update. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like how my fans get real power in this world. That'll just about do it. Subscribe to MC Game Squad for quality content. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hopefully my village won't get burned down by Herobrine ever again.